A Hyundai Terracan, 2.9 turbo diesel, automatic with rough idle, misfire. So basically what you do, you take out the high pressure solenoid switch, pull it off, pull it back down, should clear it. That's been running now for over half an hour. It's run smooth as silk. Amazing. So while it's running, pull the high pressure switch off and then push it back in to clear it. I haven't had a fault back on it yet. It'll cut out and then plug it back in and restart it. And then just let it sit for half an hour. You should be fine. It's a 2.9 turbo diesel. No issues. Clear. Thank you.